Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious taro smoothie. First, gather your ingredients: fresh taro root, your preferred milk, and a sweetener. You'll need to peel and steam the taro until it's very tender. Once cooked, combine everything in a blender. Blend until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, then adjust to your liking. It's a simple process for a delightful treat. Let's get that taro ready. Choose a firm taro root that looks healthy and free of any soft spots. Carefully peel away the skin, then cut the taro into small 1-inch cubes. Steam these cubes for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are very tender when pierced with a fork. Let them cool down a bit before moving to the next step. Now for the magic. In your blender, combine the cooled, steamed taro with about 1 cup of your favorite milk and a handful of ice. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or your preferred sweetener, to taste. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Don't forget to scrape down the sides to ensure everything gets perfectly incorporated. Your taro smoothie is almost ready. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more milk and blend again. For a sweeter taste, feel free to add more sweetener. For an extra rich treat, a scoop of vanilla ice cream is a wonderful addition. Pour your delicious, homemade taro smoothie into a glass and enjoy it right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.